Hi students, MCQ number 34. Four identical capacitors are connected in series with a 10 volt battery as shown in the circuit below. Potentials at A and B are. We have to find what is the potential at A and the potential at B. Okay. So now let us take the potential at A is VA and the potential at B is VB. Now what is VA difference VB? That is given as 10 volt. The potential difference between the points A and B is equal to 10 volt. And you see that point O between the third and the fourth capacitor is grounded. So grounded means here VO is equal to 0 volt. Okay, because it is grounded. Now all the capacitors are identical. They are holding the same quantity of charge Q. They all have the same capacitance C. Okay. So what is the potential difference across the first capacitor? Okay. V is equal to Q by C. Like that here also Q by C, Q by C and Q by C. Now there are three capacitors between the points A and O. So I will take the potential difference between the points A and O. The potential difference between the points A and O. That is VA minus VO. So this must be equal to what? Q by C plus again Q by C plus one more capacitor is there. So that is Q by C. So this is equal to how much now? 3Q by C. Okay, 3Q by C. Now this VO is equal to 0. Is it not? So VA minus 0 is equal to 3Q by C. Therefore what is VA is equal to 3 times Q by C. This is the first step you have to understand. Are you all understanding? I have considered the 2 points A and O. Between the 2 points A and O, there are 3 capacitors identical. So the potential difference between the points A and O, that is equal to VA is equal to 3 times Q by C. Okay. Now similarly O and B, what is the potential difference? I will find out. So VO minus VB. Okay, VO minus VB, and that is equal to Q by C, because there is only one capacitor. Therefore it is equal to what? Q by C. Therefore 0 minus VB. 0 minus VB is equal to Q by C. Therefore VB is equal to minus of Q by C. This is our second equation. Are you understanding the second step also? So the potential at B is minus Q by C. Potential at A is plus 3Q by C. We have to find out that. But my dear students, what is the net potential difference across the 2 points A and B? This VA difference VB, that is equal to what? 10 volt. Is it not that? So Q by C plus Q by C plus Q by C plus Q by C. If you add, that should be equal to how much? 10 volt. Is it not that? So Q by C plus Q by C plus Q by C plus Q by C, this must be equal to 10. So 4 times Q by C is equal to 10, or Q by C must be equal to 10 divided by 4, that is equal to 2.5 volt. Okay. So Q by C is equal to 2.5 volt. Therefore what is VA equal to 3 times Q by C? Is it not that? Therefore VA is equal to 3Q by C. So this is 3 into 2.5. So this is equal to 7.5 volt. Okay, plus 7.5. And from equation 2, what is VB equal to negative of Q by C? Is it not that? And VB is equal to minus of Q by C. So this is equal to minus of 2.5 volt. Okay. So VA is plus 7.5, VB is minus 2.5 volt. Okay. So which is the right option? Let us see now. So option D is a 7.5 volt and minus 2.5 volt. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.